Follow along with the printed assembly instructions and plug in the bassinet. While pairing your device to the app via Wi-Fi is not required, we recommend it to make sure you receive the full experience. Tap the power icon to turn the bassinet on. The Starling Smart Bassinet includes 5 motions, each with 3 different speeds. Tap the desired motion icon to begin movement. To change motions, tap the corresponding icon. Tapping the motion icon multiple times will increase the speed. While in the app, select a motion by tapping its icon. Use the slider below to change speeds. The Starling Smart Bassinet features remote audio monitoring, allowing you to tap to unmute and listen to baby in the bassinet. You can also use two-way talk to soothe baby from another room. Tap the sounds and music icon to cycle through 5 built-in sounds. Press and hold the icon for 2 seconds to turn the sounds off. Tap the volume icon to cycle through the 5 volume levels. A 6th tap turns the volume off. To adjust sounds and music from the app, tap the icon. Here you can select a sound, adjust the volume, and enable either repeat or shuffle modes. You can also choose to play sounds or music from your smartphone using Bluetooth. To pair your smartphone with the bassinet, hold the Bluetooth icon for 10 seconds to enter pairing mode. In your smartphone's Bluetooth menu, select Maxi-Cosi Starling. When connected, the Bluetooth icon on the bassinet will remain solid white. With your smartphone paired, tap the Bluetooth icon once to switch from built-in sounds to Bluetooth playback. To pause Bluetooth playback, tap the sounds and music icon. Press and hold the icon for 2 seconds to return to built-in sounds. Tap the timer icon to select from the 2 default timers: nap time at 30 minutes or bedtime at 180 minutes. The indicator for timer 1 or 2 will illuminate based on your selection. A 3rd tap will disable the timer. At the end of the timer, the device motion will stop. You can also set timers from the app. Select a preset or set a custom time up to a maximum of 8 hours. You can choose to start the timer or even save it as the default preset. An in-progress timer can be cancelled at any time. At the end of the timer, both the motion and sounds will stop and the timer light will turn off. The Starling Smart Bassinet can automatically soothe your fussy baby with the built-in scenes function. Tap the scenes icon to enable the default scene, which features the cradle motion at speed 1 with Twinkle Twinkle Little Star playing at volume 2. To set the Starling to wait until baby starts crying before activating the default scene, press and hold the scenes icon for 3 seconds. The icon will blink 3 times in confirmation. To change the default scene, select a motion, the speed, sound, and desired volume using the touch panel. Now simultaneously press and hold both the power and scenes icon for 2 seconds. The new default is now saved to the device. To exit or end a scene, simply tap the scenes icon or change another setting, like motion or sound. Scenes can also be managed from the app. Tap a scene to enable it. Tap and hold that scene to set it as the default on the device. Choose to either begin immediately or once crying is detected. You can also create up to 4 custom scenes. Configure motion type and speed, soothing sound and volume, and adjust the timer. To better identify the scene, you can make a name, choose an icon, and give it a color. Tap Save when your custom scene is completed. To lock or unlock the touch panel, press and hold the timer icon for 5 seconds. The lock icon will shine white. You can also lock or unlock the touch panel from the app by toggling Child Lock on the home panel. To reset the Starling Smart Bassinet to its original settings, press and hold both motion 1 and the power icon for 20 seconds. The device will make a chime sound when the reset starts, then again when it's completed. You can also reset the device from the app. Tap Settings, then tap Remove Device. The bassinet will be removed from the app and be restored to factory defaults. The device will need to be paired again for future use.